and explore Iloilo City.
Iloilo City to me is a very walkable city, and that's because of the jogging and bike lane that the LGU created that is interconnected to the Riverwalk or the Esplanade that is connected to other districts of Iloilo. So that makes this city really awesome, especially if you love walking and biking.
Iloilo City is a very walkable city. It's not going to be too hot, especially if you're going out around sunset or sunrise. And walking is a good way to discover or explore the city. So don't be afraid to walk. I really love this bike lane that they did here in Iloilo City. It makes walking much more easier. See?
This area of the Esplanade, you will find a good fishing spot, a huge park which students use. They also have an elderly park over here. I also saw a exercise park around the area, and the best thing about this area that really surprises me is the Iloilo City Skateboard Park.
Wow. This is nice. This is nice.
I stayed for 3 weeks in Iloilo City, and the longer I stayed, the more envious I became of the Ilonggos. This is the meaning of the government working for the people, and you can see in each of every improvements around the city. How I wish that every city or municipality in the Philippines will be like Iloilo City in the future.
What's up, Sago? Alright. Are you going to show us something? Oh, nice. Yeah, this river walk thing is really nice. I love what they did here at the bridge. Look at this. This is so cool. It's so hip. And there's a lot of students, children playing around. And I love what they're doing in the, I don't know what if you're gonna call that a skate park. Guys, is that a skate park or a bike park? Skate park. Skate park. Hey, what's up, guys? Are you guys bikers here? All right. So, LGU. I want to go there, but we're supposed to go here, this way, because Molo Church is that way, so we must go that way. But I wonder what's over there. So we need to hurry because it's getting darker now.
Part I need to focus because there's no footbridge for me to cross, so I need to cross using the pedestrian lane, but still this is a big road and look at how fast the cars are. Well, most of them will slow down for you, but of course it's still scary as hell.
All right. So yeah. So we needed to cross the road. Anyway, I had too much fun in Esplanade. Now it's a little bit dark, but it's okay because usually in the Philippines, churches, especially the ones that are famous or a tourist attraction, it's gonna be very well lit. So we're gonna be fine, guys. Let's go to Molo Church.
And in this part of the Esplanade, there's going to be a lot of street foods. These are your usual Filipino street foods, so if you want to try them, you can try it here. And of course, there's gonna be a park here with sculptures, beautiful sculptures. And this river walk will connect us to Molo Church, and you will see how safe Iloilo City even at night.
Wow, this is nice. think that's Molo Church right there. I'm not sure if it can be seen in at the camera. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I can see the tower of Molo Church, both of them, right there. So we're near. I noticed that fitness is a really big thing here in Iloilo City. Both the young and the olds. I see a lot of people jogging here. It's nice to see that Ilonggos are taking care of their health. You know what, guys? The river doesn't smell as bad as the ones in Metro Manila. It's actually nice, quite nice. Like it's neutral.
And as I was walking to Molo Church, I passed by a bunch of ladies doing Zumba. I'm not sure if this is Zumba, but let's just say doing some aerobics in the Esplanade, and that really surprised me.
Molo Church, everyone. Wow.
If you're going to ask me a reason to visit Iloilo City, you are looking at it right now. Everyone, this is the majestic Molo Church of Iloilo City.
Molo Church is majestic, guys. I love it. Wow, Molo Church, it's a must visit whenever you come to Iloilo City.
And here's another tourist attraction, major tourist attraction in Iloilo City. And they call this Molo Mansion. It's a nice place to take photos or to just buy souvenirs, or if you just want to eat and taste the Pancit Molo.
The Molo Mansion. This is just in front of the Molo Church. This is an amazing place actually. I love it. You guys need to come here if you're gonna visit Iloilo City. This is a must. Alright, so we've seen the Molo Church, the Molo Mansion. We're still here for one more thing. The Molo soup. There's a bunch of store here in Molo Mansion, and here you can eat the famous Molo soup. Taste the dumpling.
That Molo soup, it's really good, and I'm already missing it right now. And I think that's it for this video, and I hope I made you want to go visit Iloilo City in Panay Island of the Philippines. It's a really wonderful city, and just like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel so that I can take you to more places like Iloilo City in the future. Thank you, take care, bye.